About to cook a duck egg. Eggs. Chicken eggs. My ducks. Hey, duck. Duck, duck. Okay. Go get me back my eggs. First time cooking a duck egg. Melt some butter up in the pan. I'm gonna trip on the size. There's a pretty good size egg. Definitely bigger than a chicken egg. There's you a store-bought chicken egg. Too much bigger. Definitely is bigger. Alright. Let's lower this heat.